Barbed wire shut the fronted down. Range wars fighting all around. No more open trails through town. Texas changed when the wire came around. Joseph Glidden in 1874 dropped the barbed wire design. Farmers fenced crops, protected water lines. Cowboys blocked from land they used to cross fine. Range wars started, ranchers versus farmers on the grind. Open front invaded, fences marked the land. Cattle driver and dairy roads in command. J Ranch in the Panhandle opened 87. Good Night's brand, King Ranch 25K acres, biggest ranch in the land. Railroads killing drives, faster, cheaper, safer trip. Move cattle least quicker than any cowboy whip. Demand for beef after Civil War made the profits flip. Texas cattle money put ranchers in the leadership. Barbed wire shut it down. Texas change all around. Open range became a speech. Barbed wire to find